We've all been hearing how sitting all day at work isn't good for our health. Experts say that we should divide our time evenly between sitting and standing. What better way to do that than with a Seville Classics height adjustable desk that allows for both? With the simple twist of a knob, you can easily adjust the height of our laptop desk to accommodate your sitting or standing needs. Desktops easily accommodate laptops of up to 17 inches wide, and select models can be slanted or not for more comfortable typing. All of our adjustable desks are on casters, so that you can enjoy the mobility of rolling your desk to the best spot in the office, or from home office to living room window, to couch to bedside. Seville Classics height adjustable laptop desks truly allow you to customize your workstation. A workstation this mobile shouldn't be called a station anymore.
Meet the PRODESK 60 Electric from VARIDESK. You can change the way you work with just the touch of a button. This commercial-grade standing desk was designed with a steel frame and stability crossbar to be fully stable at any height. And with our easy-to-attach legs, assembly takes less than 5 minutes, saving you time and money. A programmable LED control panel lets you easily raise your desk to your preferred height, allowing you to find just the right fit up to 50.5 inches high. And a quiet, powerful motor lets you go from sitting to standing smoothly and easily. Plus, we've included an easily accessible cable management tray to keep your cables and cords organized. The PRODESK 60 Electric comes in several heavy-duty finishes that can suit any style. Plus, it's constructed with commercial-grade materials, so it's built to last. Our full line of sit-stand accessories helps you create a complete active workspace and enjoy a healthy, happy workday. The PRODESK 60 Electric from VARIDESK.
The Airlift electric height-adjustable standing desk is designed to be elegant and easy to use. Powerful dual motors provide smooth movement when adjusting the top, even while loaded. The all-steel base provides strength without sacrificing stability or durability. Available in a wide variety of color tops and base combinations. The Airlift S2 and S3 series follow in Seville Classics' tradition of user-focused home and office products. Lifting or lowering the desk is as easy as pressing a button. Upgrade your workspace with Seville Classics Airlift Tempered Glass Electric Standing Desk. The tempered glass tabletop comes finished with a beveled edge. 3 color combinations are available to give your workspace that sophisticated look you're going for. Organize your things in the pull-out storage drawer with a non-slip liner. Quickly charge 2 high-powered devices, like the iPad or iPhone, with powered dual USB ports. Desks can be adjusted to any level between their minimum and maximum height for optimal comfort. For the most ergonomic benefit, we suggest lifting the table to elbow height. Airlift desks can keep you moving wherever you choose to be. Live well. Live Airlift. Yeah.